Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add music and sound effects in Edits by Instagram. If you are using Edits by Instagram and you want to add music or sound effects to your video, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open the Instagram Edits app. Just open it, and here just tap on this plus icon, then select gallery to choose any photo from your gallery. For example, I'm going to add this one. Just tap on this done option and the video will be added. Or you can change the video if you want, and here just tap on add audio option and you will get different audios. This for you unsaved, trending, original audio, and there are some royalty free, so you must have to select which one you want. As for example, I'm going to select this one. Just tap on it, then tap on this next option, then tap on done, and your video will be added to music. And after that, just tap on this export option and your video will be downloaded. So in this way you can easily add a music and sound effect in Edits by Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.